Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be installing Visual Studio for Mac. So follow the link down below. It's also in the description of the video. We're going to click on free download. This should start installing automatically. I'm going to click no thanks, we take the survey if you want. Click that. It's going to take a bit. I already have it downloaded, so I'm just click that to open the installer. There we go. Make sure you click it so it starts installing. Now this process is going to take a while after this starts up. So you're looking in between 5 to 10 minutes maybe. Also, hey guys, if you're enjoying the video, please make sure that you like and subscribe and support the channel. Thanks again. So it has Xcode, Android, .NET, and then just click what you want, click install, and then there you have it. You'll have Visual Studio installed once it's downloading, and there you have it.